Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with a good signal. Import the clip and set your project color space so adjustments behave predictably. Once done, enable waveform, parade, and vector scope so you can judge exposure and color balance numerically. First, correct global exposure. Use lift/gamma/gain or shadows/midtones/highlights to place skin tones and highlights in safe ranges. Make small moves, avoid clipping. Make sure to toggle scopes while adjusting so you see how each slider shifts the RGB traces in real time. Now refine color. Adjust temperature/tint or use color wheels to lock white balance and set contrast. Once that baseline is good, create a secondary correction to isolate a hue, often skin or a bright object, and use a qualifier to key it. Then track the mask if the subject moves and feather edges for a natural blend. Make sure to reduce color spill with saturation or hue shift rather than crushing luminance. These steps keep the image cohesive while targeting trouble areas precisely. Finish with a cohesive grade. Apply a subtle curve, adjust global saturation, and compare to reference frames so skin tones read correctly. Once done, add an output LUT or final node to lock the look and export using correct color space. If you see clipping or banding, back off gain and highlight boosts, enable highlight recovery, or add slight grain to hide banding. If colors shift on export, confirm sequence and export color profiles, match to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.